In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Wix site to another account. Whether you're working with a client, switching accounts, or handing ownership to someone else, this process is very simple once you know where to go. First, log into the Wix account that currently owns the site. Make sure you're in the correct account because only the current owner can transfer the site. Once you're logged in, head to your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to transfer. When you're inside that site's dashboard, look for Site Actions or More Actions, sometimes shown as 3 dots. Click that and from the menu, choose Transfer Site. Now Wix will ask you for the email address of the account you want to transfer the site to. Type the email carefully and double check it because this is where the transfer request will be sent. After confirming the details, submit the transfer. At this point, the recipient will receive an invitation and they'll need to accept the transfer to complete the process. Once they do, ownership of the site officially moves to their account. And that's it, your Wix site has now been successfully transferred. Just take your time, check the details, and the whole process runs smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy building.